Greetings everyone, my name is Cédric Chuuma for Financial Insight Zambia here at the 2023 Annual Banking and Financial Services Conference being held at the Intercontinental Hotel and proudly sponsored by BGS, Bridging Gap Solutions. Right now I'm joined by Kampamba Mulenga from FNB. Kampamba, how are you doing?
Fine, thanks Cédric. Thanks for having me here.
Glad to have you. So you were just speaking on the podium just not so long ago, and you're talking a lot more about digital innovations and technology. I'd like to know, from the theme of this conference, what is FNB doing to integrate more technology in offering their products and services?
Okay, no thanks. So first of all, I think the theme has come at the right time. And if you see the way the topics built up all the way from the first keynote address by the Minister of Technology, it's a lot around how do we use technology to enable banking services. And it's actually apt that you've got the Minister of Technology as your keynote speaker, guest of honor at a banking and financial services conference, because really that's where the industry is going. What I've learned from today is that it's not only us as FNB thinking around that way, but it's right across the industry. And I think that collaboration between banks and fintechs is coming out very strongly. From FNB perspective, so we've been in Zambia since 2009, so this is our 14th year. And one of the things and the hallmarks about FNB Zambia was our ability to innovate. So one of our ethos is how can we be innovative in terms of that brand promise of how can we help you and reach our customers. So we've always embraced technology. And in the last 14 years, we've seen technology and the products that we offer back technology and increase from the time we did. We launched the first e-wallet in the country in terms of first electronic wallet, which will enable anyone with mobile money to receive funds from an FNB customer. That was first, and we saw a lot of people follow that. But even from where we've been from launching e-wallet, today I was talking around agency banking and our what we call our cash plus offering, which is our agency banking offering, to even newer products. For example, with all the point of sale machines we've rolled out, you're enabled now to get cash on that till or to even pay e-wallet on that till. So we've seen the technology that we've sort of built up over the years continue to serve our customers, and it's served us well. In terms of how the bank has grown over the last 14 years.
That's really, really quite the story. And by years, that means you're one of the youngest banks on the market currently.
Yes.
So with the theme of this year's conference, what do you take from it? What's the key thing that you have taken, and what would you like to see at the next conference from this one?
So the theme, especially the question around what would tomorrow's bank look like, I think that's on the back of all our minds. I think we've all been challenged to think, will we need banks? Will we need banking as a service? What will the future of this financial services look like? Will we take up new technology? We know we discussed blockchain in the morning. So what the theme has sort of meant to me is it's a time to reflect and think some of even the innovations that I talked about earlier that we did in the last 14 years may not be enough. It's all about serving that customer need. So to continuously have that attitude of innovation, and in the end, if we're going to be a relevant player in the market, in the sector, we need to have that innovation and think how not only banking will look like in tomorrow, but how FNB as a bank will look like tomorrow. So it's a time for introspection, but it's also exciting. We're not daunted or scared. I think it's exciting because it means there's a lot of technology that's coming out. How can we use it to serve our customers? So I think it's given a lot of thoughts, introspection, but a lot of excitement as well when you look at how the future will look like.
That's really, really interesting, and looking forward to seeing what will be the new innovations of the market in the next conference. It's been a pleasure having you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This has been Cédric Chuuma for Financial Insight Zambia here at the 2023 Banking and Financial Services Conference being held at the Intercontinental Hotel and sponsored by BGS, Bridging Gap Solutions. Thank you for watching, and get to know.